I have three tips. One is don't assume that students know how to manage the dynamics in their team. As an example, I was working with one class and I interviewed the students in that class afterwards, and the students did not know the names of half the members in their group. And that's a basic team dynamic that you introduce yourselves, you find out people's backgrounds, and so that's the sort of thing that faculty should be aware. Students don't necessarily know that they should do that and how important it is, and so you want to make sure that some of the very basic team dynamics are being taken care of in the teams and that you are teaching students how to do that. The second tip is don't assume if there's a problem in a team. Those problems often are there's a freeloader in our team or someone's taking over everything. Don't assume it's just that one person. The other members of the group have to allow that to happen to a certain extent. And so as an intervention, you might ask the question, what were the others of you doing while this other person was not doing the work or while this other person was taking over the work? What was your role? How did you respond to that? And that intervention can often be helpful to make students recognize it's not just one person in a group. Groups are interdependent. The problems are not just, they may start with one person, but the rest of the group helps to let them continue. And the final tip is, even though assigning group works can be helpful in reducing grading load, you have fewer projects to grade, please don't let that be the primary motivation for putting students in groups and your teams. That can be helpful, but if it's your primary motivation, you're probably not going to be helping the students very much.